So now after we get the multiple sequence alignment, we are gonna to do part 2. I'm going to the lab manual. So part 2 it is 5.2 and 5.3 and is 5.4. Starting by practical 5.2, it is about Kestrel W2 multiple sequence alignment. So Kestrel W2, we used here the progressive method. So progressive method that is give us at the end different multiple sequence alignment that uh, depends on the progressive steps that we already do. But one of the best features for this method is it is too fast. So as we see later, between all of these methods, it will be one of the fast. It will be very fast compared to others, and but there is a problem. We already know that if there is a gap, it will be a gap. So for by starting this, we will go to the Castral W, which is the first step. So just I will go to Google, take this, paste, copy at Google, paste. This is the algorithm for Kestrel W2 and how it looks like. So here is different choice, but since we are going to doing MSA, so I click in multiple sequence alignment tools. Here also different choice. I choose the first one. It is beginning by Lange Kestrel Omega. Then I open a new page. So here it is already showing that is interval based a set of protein. So coming back to the result of 5.1, which is so just I copy, then I paste in this space, and I click submit. So it is tell you that yes, this is the multiple sequence that we get it, and there are different choices to show the result regarding guide tree or phylogenetic tree or result viewers, and there is a show colors that show you the difference in colors between different multiple choice and different sequences available in the result. That's it. So we did the first one. Just go to the website, then paste the FASTA format, click booking, and download alignment file. And here 5 and 6, the different result showing. So the last one is in color format. So later you can download or save this result as any format that you prefer. And that's it for Kestrel W2. So uh, now we are going to practical 5.3, which is about Paraline. Paraline is also one of the maths and tools that it uses to doing multiple sequence alignment for different proteins and for different segments of DNA. So, but in this this methods is dependent on consistency. So, for example, if there is a line between sequence 1 and sequence A and sequence B, and there is also alignment between sequence B and sequence C. So Paraline would directly give you the align between A and C without different steps. So it will be directly Paraline, and this it is not happening in Kestrel W2. So the steps are same to previously. Just we go to the website that is for Paraline, this one, the first step, open new page. Yes. this how it look like paralign multiple sequence alignment. And here just we put our sequence. What is the step number 2? Let's wait all the sequence obtained from practical and the clicks submit button. So as I said before, this is the what is parallel actually use it for, and what is the result, and what is the information that we will get from the different result and different format. It will display the result in different format, such as residue type and conservation and secondary structure, and moreover hydrophobicity. So just now I will come back to the process. So click submit button, and it will be giving me this result. So after I paste, so just I go to Paraline run. It will take quite long time compared to Calstran, but it is still considered. So we are waiting now. And the time that it takes, it depends how many sequence you have. So for me it's just I choose 3 pairs, which means six sequence. So if I take more than 6 or more than 3, for example, that mean it will be take long time. So while we are waiting for the result, we will continue our practical until the result is shown. So we are going to the last one, which is practical 5.4 Espresso at Tea Coffee Server. So Espresso at Tea Coffee Server is method based on structure. So it will give us different information and different formats for routine structures, and the align between structures that connect all of them. So it is incorporate all the available structure information in your alignment, and it will be process the best sequence alignments if the structure are available. How to do it is, first one is to go to the website. And the second one, as we see in the lab manual, is click the button for Espresso, and the third one is paste the sequence obtained from practical 5.1 in the window. So just as the previous. So here I will press Espresso, and this is the page of Tea Coffee Espresso, how it look like. So just here I paste, oh, not this, sorry, get this one here, then I click submit, and, and this is the result that we get. And there are for our sequence, for our 3 pairs and 6 sequence that I collected from 5.1. And here you can download all the result that you get. So this is the result, and so At this point, we came to into 5.4. So just I'm gonna check from the result for 5.3, and it is still not available. So as we see now, the the result for Balaline is available now. So this is the result that we got, and we see the colors and the different degrees of colors. So here is the legend for it, for unconserved region and conserved region. For unconserved region, start from 0 until 10 and start by blue, then light blue until when it is reaches very conserved, it is and the colors become red. So here for our multiple sequence alignment. So at this point, I came to the end of this practical. Thank you very much, and I hope this is very helpful. Thank you.